Hello and welcome to the Advanced Great Circle Sailing Calculator from TheNavalArch.com. The program will calculate courses, distances, vertex coordinates, ETS, ETA and waypoints for Great Circle Sailing, Rhumb Line and Composite Great Circle Sailing. In this example we will sail from Cape Town, South Africa to Adelaide, Australia. The yellow cells are input cells. The orange are drop-down menus and the black display the calculated results. Coordinates must be entered as DMS, degrees, minutes and seconds. For the spreadsheet only degrees and minutes are necessary. Since our coordinates are DD, decimal degrees, we will use the built-in converter to convert them to DMS. This is the input page. Here we will enter our departure and arrival coordinates, our departure date and time, as well as our average speed. The black cells display the calculated results for the Great Circle, the Rhumb Line and the vertex latitude. We can also see the calculated difference between the Great Circle and the Rhumb Line. Here we have all of our Great Circle waypoints displayed on a map. It is possible to change the distance between the waypoint longitudes, depending on how closely you want to follow the Great Circle. Composite Great Circle Sailing is a combination of great circles and the parallel of the limiting latitude. The purpose is, in high latitudes, to avoid going beyond a certain latitude due to navigational restrictions such as fog, ice or bad weather. When sailing from South Africa to southern Australia, the ocean passages of the world suggest that vessels should make the passage about 39 or 40 degrees south. Let's enter our limiting latitude as 40 degrees south. These are our waypoints for Composite Great Circle Sailing. This time we have two lists, one for the first Great Circle from our departure to the limiting latitude, and the second Great Circle from the limiting latitude to our destination. Again, it is possible to change the distance between the waypoint longitudes. This spreadsheet is made for officers and masters, sailors and students. It is a very powerful and extremely easy product to use. To download the spreadsheet, please visit TheNavalArch.com.